We're going to the Assemble It studio FF02. As you come into reception facing the desk, turn left and continue to the white double doors. Pass through and across the foyer to the stairs. You'll go up one floor. You'll enter to the materials lobby through the white double door on the first floor. Turn immediate right, going through the double doors, leading onto the corridor with the green lockers. Straight after the lockers, you'll turn left at the archway, and the Assemble It studio is on the right-hand side. It's FF02.